My name is Julie. You are watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and in this video it is a yarn haul. I had bought a mystery yarn package from Lori from Armchair Chef, so we were going to unbox. Well, oh, it's not quite a box, but we're going to unbox to see what I got. And it feels really heavy and it feels like a lot. So let's get started and see what we have. I hope I can open this without cutting into anything. This is well packaged. Okay. Oh, let's cut this and not. Ooh, I really like what I'm seeing so far. Okay. Oh, cut into this without cutting the yarn. Alright, I think I got a good amount of this undone. This one looks like a yarn I have bought. Yeah, it is the Rewind tape yarn. If you have seen any of my previous videos, I made my sloth in this yarn. Okay, so just, and there's, I see at least 2 more balls in here of this. So this is a 3.5 ounce ball, 100 grams, 219 yards or 200 meters. It is a size 5 bulky yarn. Recommended hook size is a K or a 10.5 if you are knitting with this. It is 75% polyester and 30% viscose. Machine wash, lay flat to dry. And let's see if I can find a color. Merlin or Merlot? Okay, that is that. So that's it. I think I have. Alright. 3 balls of that. That will make a very interesting project. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put all this. There's a lot of yarn in here. Now, I've come across this package. There's 8 balls. There's ice yarn. So, let's see what this is. Okay. Ooh, it feels like, oh, cotton? I don't know what this is. Let's see if we can find what was on this. It is 50 grams or 100. And it is 50 grams and 115 meters. Oh, here we are. 8% silk, 10% cashmere, 35% wool, 2% nylon, and 45% acrylic. Yeah, I'm not sure what to make of this, but it looks like it is. Does it say? This looks like, it looks like a 1 or a 2. I'm not sure what I'm going to make with that, but I bet you this would be nice in a basket or a bag. Because it doesn't feel soft. It would feel like something I would use to make a bag or a basket. But there are, anyway, 8 balls of this. Right, we are going to deviate from yarn for a minute because I also got a bath and body work product because I remember seeing that in the description. It is, it looks like a candle? Hot cocoa and cream. I think it's a candle. Let me open you up. Yep. Ooh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Candle? It does smell like hot cocoa and cream. So that is that product. Let's see what else we got in here. We're going to take, this is Yarn Inspirations Pipsqueak Stripes. See the color on that. Okay, so this is, let's see what we got here. This is, oh, the color looks like it's Lullaby. Label's a little bit torn. It is a size 5 bulky weight yarn. 9.8 ounce ball. 280 grams. Or 284 yards. Or 260 meters. That's right, and the color is Lullaby. Oh, yeah, it's very soft. Not sure what I would make with that. I could make this into a hat. Or a small scarf, or a cowl. We'll see for that one. This is trying to figure out where I'm gonna put all the trying to figure out where I'm gonna put this other than in my cart or on the floor. Okay. Down. We have, there is some sugar and cream yarn in here. There are 3 balls of this. Oh, maybe 3 and a partial. So each ball is, oh, there we are. 2.2 ounce ball, 56.7 grams, 95 yards, 86 meters. It says usually, yep, it's a size 4. Recommended hook size is a size H, or a 5mm hook, or a size 7 knitting needles. The color is Ahoy Ombre. Yeah, I've had this color before. I got 3 balls, well, 3 and a partial of this. Put you over here. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3. I think I'm getting down there. 4 balls of DIY yarn. It's a size 4. It is a 1.5 ounce ball, or 30 grams. 65 yards or 60 meters. I think I already said it was a size 4. Recommended hook size is, this says a J, or I can't read this. Oh, 8, okay, 8mm hook. Color is hot pink. So there's 4 of those in there. Alright, we are getting done. I think I have 2 left. Alright. This looks like, I got 3 balls of this. Let me open this up. Let's see what this is. Alright. Oh, Mary Maxim. I think this will be my first time I don't think I've ever had yarn from Mary Maxim. Woodlands. This is, it says approximately 200 yards. And it is 90% premium acrylic, 10% alpaca, 10% alpaca, 100 grams or 3.5 ounces, made in Turkey. I think the color is Stardust. See? It is a size 4. So there's 3 balls of this. So has this got wool? Oh, it's got alpaca in it, which I just read. So yeah, I've never had Mary Maxim before. So Mary Maxim Woodlands. So there is 3 balls of that. And last ball. I'm on my last ball. Ah, Hobbii Universe. A while back, I had some Christmas Universe, which I made a poncho last year, at the end of last year. So I'm familiar with this. This is 98% acrylic and 2% polyester. It is a size 1 yarn. It's 100 grams or 3.5 ounces, 462 meters or 505 yards. Recommended hook size is a size E or a 3.5 millimeter hook, or size 3 to 4 knitting needles. Obviously, hoping the color is a number, which is 29. This is definitely a size 1 yarn. Right, and okay, that is it. That covers everything that was in the bag. Thank you again, Lori from Art Champ Chef. She had this mystery yarn package on her Etsy shop, so I will definitely enjoy making projects with all this yarn. So if you did like this yarn haul, please give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel, and I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.